Hello everyone, welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this air fried bacon wrap lemon pepper chicken. This is by far the best air fried chicken I have ever made. To start off, what I have here is 3 chicken breast meat. I got this from Costco. This was frozen and I thawed it out in the fridge, so make sure you're not using a frozen one with this type of recipe. Also, you need bacon strips. Make sure it's a thin cut bacon strips. This is sunflower oil, and in a bowl mix lemon pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, garlic with Himalayan salt, sage powder, lots and lots of black pepper powder, and simply mix this until well combined. After you preheat your basket, air fry basket, make sure you spray it with non-stick spray. Now we're going to work with the first chicken breast. Just simply brush this with oil. Season generously both sides of the meat, like what I'm doing right here. You don't have to use the sunflower oil, but I highly recommend it. It's good for air frying. Simply wrap this chicken breast with the bacon strips. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure you just wrap them just like this. I'm using 2 strips of bacon. Now this is really depends on the size. Also season that bacon with the seasoning. Now place this in a basket just like that. With the big chicken breast like this, I ended up using 3 bacon strips because this is just a bigger size. So again, this is really depends on your preference, but if you want to wrap it all around, you could use 3 to 4 bacon strips. And again, season this with your mixed seasoning. Once you're satisfied with that, place that in a basket. I have a Cosori air fryer. If you have a bigger size, then maybe you could add more, but I could only cook like about 3 pieces of this. So place this in the unit. Cook it 350 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, go ahead and remove the basket. Make sure if you have an air fryer, invest on a meat thermometer like what I have right here. I'm going to provide the link down below in the description box. We want to make sure that our meat are cooked right, especially the chicken. So simply brush this again with oil. Flip this on the other side. Make sure you're gentle when you flip this on the other side because we're using a thin sliced bacon, so it might get disengaged like this one. Just simply put that on top. Place this back in the unit. Cook it 350 degrees for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this chicken is so good, so delicious. It's like a fancy dinner in the house. Make sure again to check the meat temperature. Make sure it hits the right temperature. And you could serve this with white rice or just put it on top of a salad. It's really up to you. The meat is cooked perfectly. As you can see, it's juicy and moist. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Share this video. Thank you guys for watching. We hope to see you next time. Check out the description box for more air fryer recipe here at Dash of Spices. See you next time. Ciao!